Hey everybody, it's NJT Amtrak guy. I am now back at the World Trade Center to do another quick update. I would have been down here sooner, but I had to make a few stops before coming here. I had to pick up some more memory for the camera. So yes, I'm going to do this quick update now because I'm going to be going on vacation to Florida for the rest of August. So here's the progress as of now. Here's one World Trade Center. All the temporary staircases on the antenna spire are gone. And it appears that the guy wires have been installed now too. Those are the guy wires that connect to the bottom of the communications rings and the roof. There's Tower 4. It's kind of windy out. It appears that we also have more work being started on Tower 3. Nothing significant, but it's... A colleague told me that there was some steel work being done in the back where the crane is. They also told me that there was another minor change with the antenna and that there's going to be a smaller, I think it's a radom covering for a few sections of the antenna, but not the entire thing. I'm not too sure about that, but for now we just have to play the waiting game on that. I was told it's going to be installed on this section and those two there, but I'm not too sure about that. These two, I'm gonna skip one and then that one right there, but I'm not too sure. So again, we just have to play the waiting game for that. I'm going to go around quickly and let's see what we can see. Alright, this is West Street. Here again is 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Looks like the lobby is filled in on the north face. And the fins are popping out too on the cladding. So again, more internal work is being done. There's Tower 3. Looks like the glass is starting to wrap around and more of the mechanical cladding is being installed. It's slowly starting to work its way back. There's also lobby glass. Tower 4. I'm not seeing any steel work on this side for Tower 3, but I'm going to get around to it very soon. But I don't know if you can see the lobby glass being put in right down there. Yep, there's lobby glass. It's great to know that Tower 3 is going to be rising. Now we just need Tower 2. Right there is the Vehicle Security and Screening Center. Again, pretty much looking the same on top, but more work is being done underground. This is Albany Street and West Street. Here again is a straight look at the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center. Looks amazing this evening. There's the top of Tower 4. I'm going to move a little further away, but you can somewhat see the guy wires right here. Alright, let's continue. Oh wait, before I continue, I'm going to show you Tower 3. I'm going to get over to that very soon. This is Washington Street. I moved back a little to see if I can show you the guy wires. Let me just take a minute to stabilize here, and I will zoom all the way in. Those are the guy wires. So there's Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center, Tower 7, then Tower 3 and 4. This is Greenwich Street and Albany Street. Again, 1, 7, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. Tower 3 is right there. Now, recently again, I've had a few questions about the possible 5 World Trade Center. If built, it will be, I believe, right here. If it is built, it is supposed to be right here, but that's still a very long way off. Again, we just have to play the waiting game for that. It'd be nice to see it start up. We just have to wait. The Vehicle Security Screening Center. Here's Tower 4.
Yep. That's the same way. Beneficial is the one. Only 5 months. I will be like, I have a son. Why does that happen?
That is beautiful. Place. The lobby is filled in. Sorry, there was an ice cream truck right behind me, but the lobby glass looks filled, except for maybe a few panels for Tower 4. There's Tower 3. Oh, looks like I'm seeing some new beams here for Tower 3.